Hi friends! Today I am setting up the first few pages of my life journal and I want to share it with you. This notebook will be similar to a bullet journal, but instead of holding my tasks and plans, it's a place for me to write about significant things that happen throughout my days. It will have a daily log, things that I'm grateful for, things that I like, and other notes that I want to write about my days. I can also write about specific goals or projects that I have and how I'm working on them. I'm decorating these pages in a collage style with a lot of stickers and washi tape. But I might try different styles as I continue using the notebook. The spreads that I'm making today are kind of like a recap of last year. This first one is where I will write last year's highlights, some of the best things that happened each month. For my next spread, I printed out the covers of some of the books that I read last year. Would you like a tutorial of how to print your own book covers? Let me know in the comments. I am leaving some space to write a bit about each book and why I liked it. I also printed the covers of some of the movies and TV shows that I watched last year, and I will write what I thought of them. Finally, I'm also adding some games and music that I enjoyed last year. I filmed this video in December, so by now I'm already using this journal every day of January. And that's my recap for now, although I might add more things later. This notebook won't be very structured or organized, it's just pieces of my life that I will want to remember. I hope you liked it and see you in the next one.